And guys, today we are here for our Children's Day special recipe, that is peanut butter cookies and the macaroni sandwich. So these are the cookies and this is the sandwich. We are not going to bake in the oven, so let's take a heavy pan or cooker and just add salt on the bottom of it and just cover it for 10 to 15 minutes and preheat this pan for 15 minutes. Today I don't have jaggery powder, so I am using this jaggery, organic jaggery, and just grating it to the fine paste. You can see it. And here I have grated all the jaggery. Now I am adding half cup of peanut butter. Here I have used crunchy peanut butter. You can use normal peanut butter also. Jaggery measurement is 100 gram. You can take jaggery or jaggery powder. And so I have used here half cup of peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter. And now let's add 1 cup of wheat flour and then half tablespoon of baking powder. Mix flour into the peanut butter and the jaggery mix. Bind it well, but don't need too much, guys. Just we need to bind it well. Mix it properly, guys. Just smoothly we need to mix and make a proper dough. Here don't add any water or milk. Just mix it well. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and this ghee will give a proper binding to this dough, to knead a dough. Here we need a proper dough, but just don't bind too much. Just keep it in mind that the mixture should be mixed properly. And here our dough is ready. You can see it. So we will take small portion of a dough on hand, make a little ball of it and just tap on that ball or dough and make a round cutter shape and give any shape with the fork, whichever you like. And here I have done all this cookie, and here pan is also heated properly. So let's put these cookies to bake it properly. Bake these cookies on medium flame, and here after 45 minutes I am checking the cookies, all it's done now. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe, share and comment like to my channel, guys, please. And so we are done with our cookie recipe. So let's start the macaroni recipe. Firstly, cook macaroni with 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. And here I have taken the cooked macaroni. As soon as this macaroni is cooked, add cold water on it so it will not break. Adding cold water on a macaroni, this macaroni will get stiff and it will not break. Heat a pan on a low flame and add just 1 tablespoon of oil on it. And then here we need to add this vegetable. Whichever vegetable you like, you can add in it. I have taken just carrot, guys. So now I will add this chopped garlic, and then I am going to add this carrot, grated carrots. Here you can take any type of vegetable like capsicum and anything, whichever vegetable you like, or make this dish more healthy. It is good only, guys, but just I have taken here carrots, and let it stir or let it fry this. Let this carrot fries properly, guys. Now I will add this cooked macaroni. Mix this macaroni and the carrot well. Just stir it or just mix it well. Now here I will add 1 tablespoon of salt. As per your taste, you can add salt here. Here we need to mix it salt with this macaroni and carrots. And now we will add this green chili paste of 1 tablespoon I have added here. And here to make a more dish like a Chinese, I am just adding pizza sauce here. Pizza, pasta sauce, whichever sauce you get from market. Use high quality pizza or pasta sauce, guys. Don't buy any other normal sauce here, or else you can make it at home. The recipe I will share in the next videos, guys, for sauce videos. And just I have added the tomato sauce. Mix it well properly, guys, and cover with the lid. And now I have taken the slices of bread. You can use any type of bread, wheat bread or whole multigrain bread, any type of bread you can use here. And then I have applied this pizza and this tomato sauce on this bread, on this bread slices, and I'm adding the slices of cheese on top of the sauce and the add macaroni. If you have the cube cheese, then just grate it and add on it, and just added scrambled cheese on top of macaroni. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and with a low flame we will bake these sandwiches, and after 5 minutes our sandwiches will be cooked properly, or their cheese will be melted properly, guys. So more than 5 minutes you should not keep that sandwich on the heated pan, or else the sandwiches will get burned, guys. So don't put more than 5 minutes. I am covering it with the lid, and after 5 minutes I am checking here. Our sandwiches are all cooked here and just baked it properly. You can see how the cheese is also melted properly, guys. And here you can see it, how the cheese is melted properly. And we are all done with this sandwich recipe. This is a cheat meal, guys. You can enjoy once within a month. Please try this recipe and please comment in the box, and like and share and subscribe to my channel. Share this recipe with your friends and families. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Thank you so much.